Assalamu alaikum class 7th. Hope you're all doing well. Alright guys, so as you know that we have started a new poem ticket, that is No. The title of the poem is No, and it's written by the poet Thomas Hood. Alright. Okay, as you know that the title of the poem No is associated with the month of November, okay, so it has a bit of negative influence throughout the poem. Alright. And this is the lecture number 2 of our topic, and the topic is question answers, right? So we are going to do question answers, and make sure that you have opened up your book while watching the video, and it's on page number 15 from your Oxford Modern English book. All right. Okay, class 7, so I'm going to read the questions from the book, and all the answers are written here in the PDF form. Okay, so the first question is, answer the following questions. This is your question ticket. That's what we are going to do right now. In what way is the title of the poem a good one? And this is the answer for the A part. Let's read it out. The title of the poem is a good one because it is reflected in every line of the poem, including the last line. Yes, the title of the poem is a good one. It's No, okay. The first two letters of the month from the month of November, and the word No has been reflected or is repeated throughout the poem, okay, and it's you can see in each line of the poem, including the last line, in which the poem is summarized by yet another no word, November. November is in the autumn season when summer has come to an end and nature is preparing for winter. Yes, after autumn, what comes? Winter comes, right? So this poem is based on the month of November, in which the autumn season, accompanied by winter, is going to come, right? So that is how the poet is describing throughout the poem. The negative no tells us that everything is coming to an end as far as plants are concerned. Okay, so the poet is telling us in the poem that everything is coming to an end because there is the winter season, right? And there's snow everywhere around, and that is why this traveling has been ceased. Ceased means stopped. Okay, the traveling has been ceased, and no social gatherings are being held up because there is so much cold outside. That is why no socializing is being happened there, right? And even you cannot hear the birds singing outside. You can only see the carcasses of the birds lying here and there, uh, because there's too much cold, okay, and that is how the birds might get die from that cold, right? Okay, let's read the question number C. As you know that we are going to skip the B part, okay, we're not going to do the B part, so you can put a cross on your B question, okay. And moving on to the C part, that is, the question is, which words in the poem tell us about the following? The words in the poem give out the following meanings.